Highway Code Rule 97 applies to all drivers. Before setting off, you should ensure that you have planned your route and allowed sufficient time. If you rush, you're more likely to take chances. Clothing and footwear do not prevent you using the controls in the correct manner. Baggy trousers, for instance, or sandals without a heel strap could affect your control. You know where all the controls are and how to use them before you need them. Not all vehicles are the same. Do not wait until it's too late to find out. So familiarise yourself with your vehicle before taking it on the road. Your mirrors and seats are adjusted correctly to ensure comfort, full control and maximum vision. Don't adjust your seat, etc. on the move. It can suddenly move and put you in a very awkward position. Head restraints are properly adjusted to reduce the risk of neck and spine injuries in the event of a collision. This is one of the questions the examiner could ask you, show me, tell me questions. You have sufficient fuel before commencing your journey, especially if it includes motorway driving. It can be dangerous to lose power when driving in traffic. Ensure your vehicle is legal and roadworthy. Switch off your mobile phone. That way you're not tempted to pick it up.